Good morning, student. Today I am going to start trigonometry class 10 standard. Before trigonometry, you should know the few formulas that I am telling that is sine theta or sin theta equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta is base by hypotenuse, and tan theta perpendicular by base. Suppose this is a right angle triangle, this angle is theta, এটা perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, this is base. Some people have curly brown hair turns permanently black. You can remember this way. Some people have curly brown hair turns permanently black. Here perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse. Now, and there is another few formulas. Sin theta or sin theta is 1 by cosec theta. That is, sin reciprocal is cosec. Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. Cos theta is 1 by sec theta, and tan theta is 1 by cot theta. So cos reciprocal is sec, tan reciprocal is cot. There is another formula, tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Then cot theta is 1 by tan, sec theta 1 by cos, cosec theta 1 by sin. This is box number 2. This is box number 1. Box number 3, this is also very important formula, that is sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. We can write sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Another one, cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square theta, or cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1, and sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. That sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. That is another box. This up. Now you have to know these three formulas and please do the sums. Sum number 1. Five cot A, 15 cot A equals to 8. It is given. You have to find sin A or sec A. You know sec A is 1 by cos A. First of all, you have to find sin A and sec A. So here cot A equals to 8 by 15. Now cot, you know, tan is permanently black. Tan is 8 by 15. Cot, therefore tan A is 15 by 8. Reciprocal of cot A is tan A. Reciprocal. Tan is permanently black. This is 15. This is 8. Using Pythagoras, we can get this is 70, because hypotenuse square equals to 15 square plus 8 square, that is 225 plus 64, that is 289. Then h equals to square root of 289, that is 17. We got 17. Now put it here. You know sin A is, some people have perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is 15 by 17. You can write this is k also. 15k by 17k, that is 15 by 17, and sec A is 1 by cos A, that is cos A is base by hypotenuse, that is 1 by 8 by 17, that is 17 by 8. So we got sin A and sec A. Next one, sum number 2. Question number 2. Cos theta is 2m by 1 plus m square. You have to find sin theta and tan theta. and condition is m should be greater than 1. If m is less than 1, this should be negative. That is the condition. M should be positive. That means m is greater than 1 means positive. Now again taking triangle. This is theta. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Some people have curly brown hair base by hypotenuse. Cos theta, this is 2m. This is 1 plus m square. We have to find this. This is x. Now using Pythagoras, that is 1 plus m square whole square equals to 4m square plus x square. Hypotenuse square equals side square plus side square. That is 1 plus m square whole square minus 4m square equals to x square. That is x square. This is 2m square minus, that is 1 plus 1 minus m square. A square plus 2 plus b square, this is minus, that is minus 2ab, then 1 minus m square, then x equals to 1 minus m square. Square root of this is the value of x, this is what? This is 1 minus m square. Now sin theta. Perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is 1 minus m square by 1 plus m square, and tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta is, we got 1 minus m square by 1 plus m square by cos theta also be reciprocal, that is 1 plus m square by 2m, that is 1 minus m square by 10. That is tan theta and this is sin. That is the answer. There is another way you can do this sum. If you don't want to take triangle formula, using formula, geometric formula, you can do this. What that? Sin theta, sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. That is 1 minus cos square theta means 4m square 1 plus m square. That will be a little bit lengthy. That is 1 plus cos square theta over whole square, 1 plus m square whole square minus 4m square by 1 plus m square whole square. That is 1 plus m square, that is 1 minus m square by 1 plus m square whole square. Then sin theta equals to 1 minus m square by 1 plus m square. We got directly sin theta perpendicular by hypotenuse, this by this. We are using trigonometric formula, we have done this. You can do this way also. Again tan square theta. Then cos theta is this. Then sec theta is 1 plus m square by 2m. You know sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Then tan square theta equals to sec square theta minus 1. That is sec square theta is this. That is 1 plus m square by 2m whole square minus 1. That is 1 plus 2m square plus m to the power 4 minus 4m square by 4m square. That is 1 minus m square whole square by 4m whole square. Then tan square value is this. Then tan theta equals square root of this, that is 1 minus m square by 2m. That is the using trigonometric formula you got this, and that is using trigonometric formula you got this. And using triangle formula you can get directly. Then sum number 3. Sum number 3 here, sin theta equals to p square minus q square by p square plus q square. Here p is greater than q. That is the condition. If p is less than q, this will be negative. This will be negative. That condition was satisfied. You have to find tan theta plus sec theta. find the value of tan theta plus sec theta. You can do this sum by triangle formula. You can get the answer more easily. Sin theta perpendicular by hypotenuse. So this will be p square minus q square. This is p square plus q square. Taking this is x. Using Pythagoras, you will get base. That is p square plus q square whole square equals to p square minus q square whole square plus x square. Then break it. p4 plus 2p square q square plus q to the power 4 p4 minus 2p square q square plus q to the power 4 plus x square. That is x square equals to 4 p square q square. Then x equals to pq. Then you got this is 2 pq. Then you have to find tan theta. You have to find tan theta plus sec theta. Tan the perpendicular by base, that is p square minus q square by 2 pq. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta, that is cos theta base by hypotenuse, that is this by this. That is p square plus q square by 2 pq. Then 2 pq LCM, p square minus q square plus p square plus q square will cancel. That is 2 p square by 2 pq. 2 cancel p, that is p by q. Otherwise you can get sin theta is this, then get cos theta. If you don't want to do this by triangular method, we can get, that will be more lengthy. You can do this. Sin theta is this, then cos theta equals to root over of 1 minus sin square theta, that is p square minus q square by p square plus q square whole square. Cos theta is root over of 1 minus sin square theta, that is square root of p square plus q square whole square minus p square minus q square whole square over p square plus q square whole square. You break it, that will be 2 pq by p square plus q square. We got cos theta, you know sin theta, you know cos theta, put it here tan theta, that is sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by sec theta, cos theta. Put it here, you know sin theta is this, that is p square minus q square by p square plus q square. By cos theta is that the reciprocal, that is p square plus q square by 2 pq plus cos theta is cos the reciprocal, that is p square plus q square by 2 pq. Here this and this cancel, 2 pq LCM, that is you cancel, that is 2 p square, that is p by q. So using geometric formula you can do this, you can do this, or with triangular formula you can do this. Next, sum number 4. Question number 4. Tan theta equals to m over n. Prove that m sin theta minus n cos theta over m sin theta plus n cos theta equals to n square minus n square over n square plus n square. You can do, first of all, triangular way. It is theta, tan theta is perpendicular by base, this is m, this is n. So this will be m square plus n square. Square root of this. X square root of this, x is the square root of this. Then put it here, LHS. m sin theta perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is m by root over of m square plus n square minus n cos theta base by hypotenuse, n by root over of m square plus n square over m root over of n square plus n square plus n into n over of n square plus n square. So here you can break it, that is n square minus n square by root over of m square plus n square into, this will be reciprocal, that is root over of n square plus n square by m square minus n square. Cut this, we will get m square minus n square, this is m square minus n square, this is plus, this should be plus m square plus n square equals to right hand side. Otherwise you can do sin theta by cos theta equals to m by n, then n sin theta equals to n cos theta, and put it here. You can do by trigonometric way. Next, sum number 5. Question number 5. Cot theta 3 over 4. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta over sin theta plus cos theta equals to 1 by 7. This sum you can do by trigonometric way more easily, dividing numerator LHS. Sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta. If we divide cos theta, sin theta, both numerator and denominator, sin theta by sin theta, divide cos sin theta, because you know cot theta. That is 1 minus cot theta, 1 plus cot theta. Dividing sin theta, both numerator and denominator, you can write divide sin theta, both numerator and denominator. Sin theta by sin theta 1, cos theta by sin theta cot theta. That is 1 minus cot theta value is 3 by 4, 1 plus 3 by 4. That is 1 by 4 into 4 by 7. That is 1 by 7. That is right hand side. Next, sum number 6. Sin theta equals to 12 by 13. Show that cos theta minus 1 equals to minus 35 by 156. Here, this sum could be done easily by trigonometric way. Sin theta is this, then cos theta root over of 1 minus sin square theta, that is 144 by 169. That is, this was the 5 by 13. We got cos theta value, put it here. Now LHS. Cos theta means ki cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta. That is cos square theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Cos square theta is 25 by 169 by sin theta value 12 by that will be reciprocal, that is 13 by 12 minus cos theta is 5 by 13. 13 is a 169. That is 156 LCM. That is 25 minus 16. That is 25 minus 16. 16. That is minus 35 by 156. That is the answer. So this sir could be done more easily using trigonometric formula. You can do this by triangle method also. Okay. Now sum number 7. Question number 7. Here cos theta is 4 by 5. Cos theta is 4 by 5. Find the value of cos theta minus 1 by tan theta over 2 cos theta. So here, first of all, 1 by tan theta means cos theta. Cos theta. Cos theta 1 by tan means cos theta by 2 cos theta. Now, cos theta is this, you get sin theta. Root over of 1 minus cos square theta is sin theta, that is 16 by 25. That is 9 by 5 and 25. That is 3 by 5. So sin theta value we got 3 by 5. Put it here, cos theta, and using triangle you can do here. Look here, triangle theta. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. It is 4, it is 5. This will be 3 using Pythagoras. We put it here. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse, that is 4 by 5. Cos theta is base by perpendicular, minus 4 by 3, 2 into 4 by 3. Then 15 is LCM, 12 minus 20 into 3 by 8. That is minus 8 by 15 into 3 by 8. That is minus 1 by 5 answer. Otherwise, you can do put it here. Sin theta value, cos theta value, you can put it here. You can do both. You can do. Sum number 8. Sum number 8. Cos theta equals to 2 root over of mn by m plus n. Find the value of sin theta. Find the value of sin theta. So easily sin theta equals to root over of 1 minus cos square theta, that is 4mn by 1 plus m plus n whole square. Cos square theta is 4mn by 1 plus mn whole square. That is square root of m plus n whole square minus 4mn over m plus n. That is m minus n whole square by m plus n. This is m plus n whole square. Square root of this, that is m minus n by m plus n. That is the answer. Find the value of sin theta. If you want tan theta, then you can do sin theta by cos theta, you can get. If you are asked tan theta, sin theta is this, m minus m by m plus m. Tan theta, sin theta by cos theta, so this should be m plus m by 2 root over of n. That is m minus n by 2 root over of n. That is the tan theta plus. Sum number 9. Sec A equals to 5 by 4. Prove that tan A by 1 plus tan square A equals to sine A by sec. So here sec A is this. So we can write tan A 1 plus tan square means sec square. 1 plus tan square is sec square. That is tan A means sin A by cos A. 1 by sec is cos square. That is sin A cos A. That is sin A by sec A. If you put the value here, sin A value, sec A is this, then cos A is 4 by 5. Sec A reciprocal is cos A. Then sin A root over 1 minus cos A square is 16 by 25. That is 3 by 5. Put it here. Sin A is 3 by 5. 1 by sec A means cos A. 1 by sec A. Sec A means that means 4 by 5. That is 12 by 25. Sum number 10. Here tan alpha is 4 by 3. To show that root over of 1 plus, this is tan A. Tan A is 4 by 3. 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A equals to 2. So tan A is this. So we can get using triangular formula. This is A. Tan 4, this is 3. Perpendicular by base. So hypotenuse is 5 using formula. Then root over of 1 plus cos A base by hypotenuse. 3 by 5, 1 minus 3 by 5. That is square root of 8 by 5 into 5 by 2. That is 2. That is right hand side. Sum number 11. Tan theta is 1 by root 3. Prove that cosec square theta minus sec square theta by cosec square theta plus sec square theta equals to 2. So you know cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square theta and sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Bracket 1 plus tan square theta over cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta. If you remove the bracket, this sign will be changed. This is LHS. 1 cancel. Cosec square theta 1 plus cot square theta 1 minus tan. That is cot this and that is cot square theta minus tan square theta 2 plus cot square theta plus tan square theta. Cot square theta, tan theta this, then cot theta is root 3. So cot square theta is 3, tan square theta is 1 by 3. 2 plus 3 plus 1 by 3. That is 8 by 3. This is 8 by 3. That is 3 by 16. 3 cancel, that is half. 8 by 3, 3 by 16. Prove this is half. So value is half. Goes to right hand side. Sum number 12. Tan theta is 3/4. Find the value of value of 2 sin theta cos theta cos square theta minus sin square theta. So we can do here tan theta is this. If we divide tan theta is this, so using triangle we can do this is theta, this is 3, this is 4, using Pythagoras this is 5. Put it here 2 into sin theta perpendicular by hypotenuse 3/5, cos theta base by hypotenuse 4/5, cos square theta is 16/25, sin square theta 9/25, that is 24/25 into 25/7, that is 24/7, that is 3 and 3/7. That is the value of this 3 and 3/7. That is the answer. So now have a note of these sums and look to these sums also. And if you like my video, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.